Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Check the remote machine, confirm RDP is enabled, and note the IP address and port, often 3389. Make sure you have an administrative username and a strong password, and set up two-factor authentication if available. On your side, install or open the RDP client, update it, and confirm your network can reach the target. Once done, you'll be ready to initiate the initial connection and authenticate securely. Once the basics are in place, configure network and client settings for a reliable session. On the remote host, add firewall rules permitting the RDP port and restrict access by IP where possible. This reduces attack surface. If the host sits behind NAT, set up router port forwarding to the host's private IP. On your client, enable network-level authentication, enforce encryption, and verify the server certificate to prevent man-in-the-middle attacks. After these steps, you should attempt a controlled connection test. Now connect and complete the final steps to finish setup. Launch the RDP client, enter your credentials, and accept the server certificate only if it matches expected details. This prevents imposters. Once connected, install any required tools, tune display and resource redirection like clipboard or drives, and save a secure connection profile. Make sure session timeout and locking are configured. If the connection fails, test basic network reachability with ping and port scan, and then check firewall, NAT rules, and credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.